Hello guys, welcome on my channel 4 Wheels by David. Today I wanna show you this DeWalt impact wrench. Let's start the wrap. So this is DeWalt impact wrench. The model is DCF894. HN mean that is the ring on the drive. The ring is very important because if you want to put the socket over this drive, go easy, remove, very easy. I got another DeWalt gun, but a small one, and got a ball on it. If you got a socket with the hole on it, yeah, and the hole is on the same line what the ball is, it's hard to push and it's impossible to remove. You have to use screwdriver, put into the hole, and then remove the socket. So it's not comfortable. It's alright if you use a standard socket, but not the socket with the hole. Yeah. Alright, the DeWalt got a brushless model. This motor is brushless. Yeah, the breakaway power is up to 813 Newton meters. The impact per minute 3100. Got a three modes of setting. Yeah, it's low, precision, wrench, and high speed. Yeah, so the high and low, you know what this means. But precision wrench is for precision torque something. Yeah, if you need a torque, something like a wheel bolt, and you don't want to over tight it, this is precision wrench for it. Yeah, the weight of this gun is 1.5 kilo. With 5 amperes battery will be 2.2 kilos. The LED light you can see is in here, yeah, and the cost is about 180 points without battery. Yeah, what I can tell about this gun, it's very handy for repair a cars, for loosen the wheel, for remove a dry shaft. The gun manage with it with no problem. Yeah, suspension bolts is no problem for this gun. Yeah, why I bought this one? Because this one, the bigger DeWalt, is too heavy. This one weight is about 3.2 kilos with battery. Yeah, this one is kilo less, 2.2. So if you're working with this gun, your arm is not tired. Yeah, the gun is light, but it's a lot of stronger than the small DeWalt. Yeah, the small DeWalt is good for small things. Yeah, but we're talking about this one, yeah, today. So the handle, like standard DeWalt tools, very comfortable. Yeah, the light is on all time when you just press the switch. Yeah, and you can feel that it's powerful enough for works with cars. Yeah, today I would like show you how this gun will torque and release the bolt, so you can have a look what you think. Yeah, let's. So I will torque this bolt for 210 Newton meters. My torque wrench is set up, so let's torque it. It's over 210 Newton meters now. Now we will see how the gun will manage to loosen the bolt. The speed is for high, 5 amperes battery, full charge, full charge, full charge of 5 amperes battery, 210 Newton meters. Ready? Easy. Bolt is loosened, yeah? Bolt is loosened, so just so easy, yeah, for this gun, yeah? So I will torque this back on, and I will see that I will be able to torque it more by French. Tight. It's over 210 Newton meters. I think the torque wrench starts clicking. You can see. And I can't move any bolt anymore. Like so tight to come soft now. So I will loosen it again, just to show you again how it works. Yeah, we can try on low speed this time, and we will see that we will be able to move this bolt with low speed. Even on the low speed we are able to move it. Yeah. So yeah, last 2 words about this gun. Is very good gun for cars, for repair cars, light construction workers, but it's not great for heavy stuff like farms machines or heavy duty machines, yeah, with big bolts on it. Yeah, it's easy to loosen wheel bolts, suspension bolts, dry shaft bolts. So I am 100% happy with the light of this gun, and I am happy to recommend it for you. If you repair cars or doing a construction works, you don't need wait, you don't need looking for a better gun. It's light enough, it's comfortable to use, just buy it. Thank you very much, guys. If you are happy with my video, please leave a like, comment and subscribe my channel. Thank you. Bye.